How to download Forex.com on your PC. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your desktop, head over to your store, tap on the search bar and search for a store. In the search box, search for Forex.com. If you're on your MacBook, you can go to your App Store, you can go to the list, and if you cannot find the app of Forex.com, it might be not available in the store. So alternatively, what you can do is, you can head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Forex.com app for PC and head over to this first link. Click on it. You'll be prompted to this download center of the Forex.com. If you scroll down, here you can see different options to download the Forex.com. You'll need to go to this desktop app platform. Just select the download location in your device. After the download is completed, you can head over to your files. It will open up the set of files. You can click on next. Accept the terms. Again, click on next. Now the installation process has begun. You need to wait for a few moments. After the installation process is completed, you will see this kind of option. Click on this finish button. And there you go. The app is now running on your computer. You can now create your account and start using this app. So that's how you can easily install the Forex.com app on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.